Hello, welcome back to another brand new episode. Since coconut is the main ingredient for today's recipe, coconut curry leaves, chutney powder, या chammanthi powder. First, let's see how to pluck coconuts from the coconut tree. What do you say? Don't you think climbing a coconut tree which have no branches is a challenge? Watch and see how we separating coconut with its shell from its outer layers. Before start sharing the recipe with you, the main thing what I need to do is setting up of the outdoor stove. Since it's an outdoor cooking with dry woods, it will take time to preheat the cooking vessel. Now let's move through the ingredients. 1 cup of curry leaves, 3/4 cup of sliced pieces of pearl onions, half cup of sliced pieces of garlic, chopped pieces of a small ginger, 8 numbers of red dried chillies, 1 spoon of Urad Dal, 1 spoon of dry peppercorns, 1 1/2 spoon of salt, tamarind of Indian gooseberry size, 1 spoon of spiced moong dal, 1 spoon of Tur Dal, 2 numbers of coconut. This ratio of ingredients are for preparing 500 grams of Chammanthi powder or chutney powder. Once your cooking vessel become hot, add coconut oil to use to fry the curry leaves. Then fry red dry chillies. After taking fried red chillies, roast urad dal, dry peppercorns, split moong dal and Tur Dal. Then with the help of mixie or alaka, grind these roasted items to a powder form like this. Saute the sliced pieces of pearl onions, garlic and ginger. After cooking it for a while, add the grated coconut. Toss the mix. Once the coconut mix becomes light brown in color, add the fried dried chilies and curry leaves to it. Mix and toast it well until the grated coconut becomes more dark in shade. Since we started preparing the Chammanthi Podi in the evening, and that's to outdoor with traditional dry woods, it was taking a lot of time. And it was becoming dark outside. So once the coconut curry leaves mix become brown in shade, we decided to move indoor. Add half cup of chili powder and mix it. Allow it to cool under room temperature. Before grinding it to a powdered form with the help of grinder ya olka, add salt and tamarind to the roasted mix. Next day, mix the grinded coconut curry leaves powder with the dal powder. You can mix it on same day itself. Now your Kerala style coconut curry leaves Chammanthi Podi is ready. You can serve it with steamed rice, idli, upma, etc. I hope you will like the recipe. Try it in your kitchen and please comment below your feedbacks. If you like it, hit at the thumbs up button and share the link. Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos from us. Thank you.